Imagine walking through a bustling neon-lit alleyway and stumbling upon a sight that feels entirely out of place. This story is for those who look closely at the world, the kind of people who find beauty in quiet anomalies. In the heart of Osaka, 3 statues stand completely shrouded in a thick velvet blanket of green moss. Why these figures remain covered in this living coat is a mystery that connects human habit with a rare natural coincidence. But as we will see, this is just the first of several wonders where nature and humanity strike a strange, silent compromise. At Hosen-ji Temple, visitors have poured water over the 3 stone statues for decades. This persistent ritual uses mineral-rich well water, which acts as a perfect nutrient for the moss. At the same time, the surrounding high-rise buildings block the harsh afternoon sun. The constant evaporation keeps the temperature cool, creating a perfect microclimate for the green shroud to thrive. The temple priests choose to leave the moss untouched, honoring the collective wishes of generations of visitors. Yet, while this green miracle relies on a constant flow of water, another Japanese wonder requires a rare alignment of fire and stone.
In the coastal area of Oga City, Akita, a unique rock formation stands against the sea. Shaped by years of wave erosion, it looks strikingly like a giant monster emerging from the depths. For most of the day, it is simply a curious rock. But during a brief 10-minute window at sunset, something magical happens. When the sun sinks to the horizon, observers at a specific angle can see the orange orb nestle perfectly inside the rock's mouth. It creates the startling illusion of a giant beast breathing fire into the evening sky. Still, while this coastal giant relies on a fleeting moment of light, some ancient giants refuse to yield to the passage of time at all.
At Kayashima Station in Osaka, commuters witness an extraordinary sight every single day. A massive camphor tree, resembling a giant broccoli, pierces straight through the concrete platform and the station roof. This tree is estimated to be 700 years old and serves as a sacred symbol for the local shrine. During a major railway expansion in the 1970s, plans were made to cut the tree down. However, strong local resistance and a deep respect for the sacred tree forced the railway company to change its plans. Instead of removing the ancient giant, engineers designed the entire elevated station around it, allowing the tree to continue growing freely. These unusual landmarks demonstrate a profound willingness to coexist with the natural world. From the moss-covered statues in a narrow alley to the preserved station tree, these sites show how communities honor the environment. They remind us that the most remarkable stories are often found when we pause to look at what has been preserved. Understanding these subtle connections helps us appreciate the hidden balance in our everyday surroundings. For those who seek to notice these quiet patterns in our world, following these narratives offers a deeper way to see the spaces we inhabit.